Unauthorized drone users could face hefty $20,000 fine if flying in Florence-affected areas, FAA warns. As disaster relief efforts continue in the wake of Hurricane Florence, the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, has imposed restrictions on drone usage in areas affected by the storm. Unauthorized drone users could face hefty $20,000 fine if flying in Florence-affected areas, FAA warns. As disaster relief efforts continue in the wake of Hurricane Florence, the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, has imposed restrictions on drone usage in areas affected by the storm. The FAA released a statement warning that flying unauthorized drones in these areas could hinder local, state and federal rescue and recovery missions. People flying unmanned aircraft systems that interfere with emergency response operations could face significant fines, according to the FAA. Flying a drone without authorization in or near the disaster area may violate federal, state or local laws and ordinances. Drones can be a great asset, absolutely, but when the FAA makes these blanket announcements, they're trying to make sure that people who are in the best position to help are able to do so, said Dr. Brandon Stark, director of the University of California Center of Excellence on Unmanned Aircraft System Safety. Search and rescue is not an easy task. You can't just have a drone and think that you're going to be able to fly it in support of search and rescue, Stark said. People take weeks of training to be certified for search and rescue operations, so unless you have that background, you're really not as helpful as you might think that you are.